Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to do these head wraps. You don't have to have a lot of hair to do these, you just need to have enough hair to go into a puff. If you do not have enough hair to go into a puff to do this head wrap, let me know down below and I'm going to be more than willing to do a video on how to do it without hair. Because I've done it many times when I have my hair cornered down and I have a wig cap on so my hair is flat, like as if I did not have any hair, and you're still able to achieve these head wraps. I'll just show you another way. So if you would like to see that, let me know. I'll be more than willing to do that. And I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Bye! Okay, so first things first, my hair is like froed up. You feel me? Like however big, small, whatever your hair is, whether you don't even have hair, I'm going to do a whole video on how to do it without hair. So you can do these head wraps without hair as well. Since I do have my hair out and it's pretty big, it kind of helps. But again, I'm going to do a video on how to do it if you don't have any hair at all. So if you have hair underneath your head wrap, whether it's a lot of hair, a little bit of hair, if you have hair enough to go into a puff, this is how we're going to get started on the head wrap. So you're really just going to pick your hair up, even if it's not as big, if it's bigger, if it's smaller, whatever. If it's in a curly state, you can just fluff up the roots. You don't have to like comb all the way through like I'm doing right now. And you just want it to be nice and fluffed out. So you can take a piece of a stocking or a piece of fabric that you have is thin enough to work to make the puff. So I'm going behind my hair, around the front, and just crossing that over and pulling it up like so. Keep pulling until you have this puff on your head like so. And don't do this too tight, because if you do this part too tight, you're going to have a headache all day. I'm so serious, you're gonna have a headache all day. Speaking from experience, because I always do it too tight. So this is where we're at now. If you guys see me looking down, it's because I have a mirror right down here that I'm looking at for guidance when doing the head wrap. So now that we have this step done, the hair's in a puff, you're gonna take a scarf, any scarf. I'm using a red scarf because I'm feeling a little shoddy I do right now with this red lip and this red scarf. So you're gonna take it to about the middle. So I have the scarf in the middle. I'm trying to think what side do I want out. I want this side out, so the side that you're putting towards your head, turn that towards you. So the side that I have out is towards you guys, but this side is towards me. You're gonna put the middle portion, it doesn't have to be directly the middle, but a middle ground of the scarf to the base of your head. To the base. And now we're like this. So you're gonna pull pretty tightly right there. You're gonna pull on that like this. Make sure you're pulling on the back. You're gonna take one side and you're gonna put it over the other. Doesn't really matter which of them. And you're gonna make sure your hair is tucked in at the same time and pull over like this. So we're ready to start. We're already forming our wrap. Now you're gonna take one behind, one over, pull, and we're not tying a knot. We still have like these two ends. And now you're just gonna cross them over each other. Pull and tuck. Pull and tuck. So you see how the line here is normally in the middle of the forehead. So you can just really just twist it around if you want to. I tend to like mine's to the side, but you can do it in the middle as well. And the back, make sure the back is tucked in too. And you can just adjust it at this point because it's tight enough on top. So that's really all it is. Head wrap is really this simple. I'm gonna show you how you can layer it up to make your head wraps even bigger. If you don't have these little tassels, you really aren't gonna worry about tucking them in as much. But it's very soft. When people first look at this, they think it's hard, they think it's not. It's very soft because it's your hair inside. So I'm going to show you guys how you can build this up and make it even bigger with another scarf. So to do this part, you would obviously be using a scarf you don't really want to show underneath, and then the scarf you want to show on top, you're gonna layer it even more. This keeps you so warm in the winter time. Like, I do this in the winter time because my ears get cold so fast. Just tuck them into the little scarf and it'll keep you warm. So I'm going to show you with another scarf on top. So with another scarf on top, I'm going to be using this one. Again, put it at the base, pull kind of tight, make sure it's in the middle. It's not in the middle right now. Okay, it's in the middle now. Pull at the base, pull kind of tight, wrap them over one another. Again, pull, and this is where you're just gonna shake the folds a little, and then I'm just gonna tuck in wherever I can to keep it secure. And if you want to use more scarves, you can go ahead and do that. It may seem a little over the top. It's really your preference. But yeah, that's really how you do these head wraps. Super simple. Honestly, amazing protective style. Amazing protective style. Sometimes I'm deep conditioning under here. Sometimes I'm doing a hot oil treatment under here. Sometimes I don't even know what's going on with my hair under here. It's looking crazy underneath this. So yeah, these are really a lifesaver. So I really hope this head wrap tutorial helped, and if it did, please let me know down below. And if you do this head wrap, I'd really like to see it, so you could tag me on Instagram at osidosy or hashtag osidosy, and I would really love to see them. Or you could snap them to me, anything. I just want to see how it goes for you. So yeah, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye. So let's get under this. And it's still perfect. What?